How to install the Reolink app on iPhone. Looking to set up your Reolink camera? The first step is to get the Reolink app on your iPhone. This quick guide will show you exactly how to install it, getting you ready to monitor your home. On your iPhone's home screen, find the blue App Store icon. This is where you download all your apps. Once in the App Store, tap on the Search tab at the bottom right corner. Then tap on the search bar at the top and type Reolink and hit search. Locate the official Reolink app in the search results, usually with a white icon and a blue camera logo. Tap the Get button next to it or the cloud icon if you have previously downloaded it. Authenticate with a Face ID.id or passcode, and then the app will begin installing. You've successfully installed the Reolink app on your iPhone. Now you're ready to connect your camera. Like and subscribe for more Reolink setup guides.